However, numerous monetary forms have attacked the much sought-after crypto market. The most talked-off and high-positioned are Zilliqa, which is an ERC20 token. This was the approach of the year 2017 when the CEO of Zilliqa, Mr. Zilliqa, and his group concocted this splendid thought of sending off this resource. His thought was upheld by his devoted company of specialists and blockchain calculation specialists who rejuvenated this Zilliqa crypto. Allow us to examine the ongoing subtleties of Zilliqa and comprehend the Zilliqa cost expectation for what's in store. Zilliqa, the less popular realities. Zilliqa Network is a blockchain network that began in Singapore and was established by Pradeep Saxena, Amrit Kumar, Max Cantilia. It embraced the Ethereum blockchain prior to starting its own and is home to many decentralized applications. As a guileless contestant in the venture market around 2018, not many individuals knew about Zil Money and were a little uneasy about exchanging Zil crypto. A significant benefit of the Zilliqa coin is that you can execute rates as the blockchain network grows, adding to a wonderful expansion in the quantity of diggers. Zilliqa is the first of its sort of open blockchain worked with sharding innovation. It runs a programming language called Scilla and carries out pragmatic Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure. It can tackle the current issue of adaptability involving its sharding strategy as dynamic scaling arrangement. Zilliqa can address venture issues as it can deal with a huge volume of exchanges, upheld by a strong and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage. The issue Zil has tended to are the openness issues, setting up a mixture agreement component. For this situation, hub activity is completely dependent on the evidence of work hash. An interesting element of Zilliqa is that it can trap deceitful or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is fit for following the first block. Zilliqa depends on cryptographic techniques that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Consequently, security impediments are captured first. The credit goes to the advancement of Syro convention by Zilliqa, which is the standard of the whole decentralized money environment, which is one more send-off and offing. Examination of Zil's verifiable value development. The cost journey has been fashioned with shocks combined with exciting bends in the road. The ongoing cost of Zilliqa is at 5 cents, and it exchanges under a downtrend. The market capitalization of Zilliqa is $719,545,402 with $12,289,142,698 Zil being current coursing supply. Zilliqa cost today is deteriorated by 20.2% to the cost with which it has entered the year 2022. The last day, i.e., 24-hour cost variance, has a through and through story to describe. Specialists take on Zilliqa's gauge. While numerous cryptogurus have expressed their perspective on cost forecast in aplenty, not all are similar. While certain specialists give a reassuring estimate, the others end up being a little mindful in giving you liberal freedoms. A cost forecast site has given an extremely hopeful view about the Zil speculation for the impending years. According to their expectation for 2030, the Zil cost could cross $2.03 and past in the impending years. Going by the moderate pattern and a wary methodology, it appears to be troublesome that the coin would stand firm on its situation, and the Zil cost might exchange around 13 cents toward the finish of 2022. In next 5 years, the cost could ascend to a normal of 39 cents. Zilliqa value forecast 2022 to 2026. Zilliqa gauge and Zil cost expectation diagram has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from starting towards the year's end. The coin has had a memorable excursion over the past year. Zil coin's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions, new organizations, and improvement would carry Zilliqa to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an intense test for crypto rivals. In light of 1-year verifiable information and market cap improvement, there is even a Zilliqa gauge that the cash might think of its own blockchain stage changing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled in the significant cryptographic money trades of the world soon. As indicated by the last year's cost force and from the very outset of this current year, Zilliqa could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical patterns, and it could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with hopefulness. The coin entered 2020 subsequent to experiencing a negative cycle with a cost $0. Later, Zilliqa has denoted another unequaled high in the long stretch of May 6, 2021 at 25 cents. From that point forward, the Zil coin stamped moderate development till the finish of the last year. According to Zilliqa cost expectation, the coin has stamped extensive amendment starting from the start of this current year, and it could record minimal recuperation notwithstanding impermanent cost decline. From our momentary specialized investigation, following are the opposition level and backing levels of Zil. resistance level 1 6 cents, resistance level 2 6 cents, resistance level 3 6 cents, support level 1 5 cents, support level 2 5 cents, support level 3 5 cents. Zilliqa Value Forecast 2022. The Zilliqa cost is anticipated to exchange above 8 cents in the year 2022. The normal high of Zilliqa cost is 8 cents while the low is 7 cents. The Zilliqa cost expectation for the year's end is around 8 cents. Zilliqa Value Forecast 2023. The cost of Zilliqa is anticipated to exchange around 9 cents in the year 2023. The normal high of ZIL cost is 10 cents, while the low is 8 cents. The Zilliqa cost estimate part for the year's end target is around the normal cost of 8 cents. Zilliqa Value Expectation 2024. For the year 2024, the anticipated normal cost of ZIL could exchange around 9 cents. The normal high of ZIL cost is 12 cents, while the low is around 8 cents. For long-haul financial backers, Zilliqa will be a fair-wise venture road. Financial backers can acquire over 100% return in the following 2-3 years assuming that they follow the famous way, purchase on plunges. Zilliqa Value Expectation 2025. In the realm of digital currencies, there could be estimates of marvels. There could be sorcery in the present moment as well. 5 years is quite a while. With a pandemic immunization coming to the front, according to specialists' reports, it might mean a blast time for ZIL. Zilliqa could mirror a gigantic cost increment and could contact past all-time high worth. Thus, we can expect that it could cross the 14 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for a more extended period. Zilliqa Value Expectation 2026. The typical cost of Zilliqa is anticipated to exchange around 19 cents toward the finish of 2026. Thus, we can expect that it could cross the 20 cents mark toward the finish of 2026, while the low may be around its vital help level of 18 cents. Furthermore, thus, according to the Zilliqa figure, transient financial backers or merchants can buy Zilliqa on plunges. Along these lines, they can acquire extensive benefits from their venture. It wouldn't be a distortion that this estimated digital currency could break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship scaling a pinnacle of $1 after 2030. With government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic, this could come as a relief for all financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and goals to execute in Zilliqa. For enlightening purposes, one might peruse the Stock Watch report and keep a following gauge of Zilliqa routinely. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of ZIL could develop dramatically. By when it could not anymore a gullible contestant in the realm of digital forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player. In spite of the fact that AI and cost expectation calculation has been fruitful in ZIL estimate, in any case, the applications here essentially are very prohibitive. A large group of variables oversee the costs of ZIL coin, like mechanical advancement, inward rivalry, tension on the business sectors to convey, financial issues, security issues, protection strategy, political elements, feelings of most recent news, and so forth. Their high instability prompts the incredible capability of high benefit assuming smart